Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are fine. So in today's video, I'm going to be making some delicious one-pan pasta. This pasta was really delicious. So here are all the prep ingredients that I'm going to be using for this recipe. I'll be listing everything that I use for this recipe, and I will leave it in the description box below so you can check it out if you want to make this recipe. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and set the notification bell icon to all. That will always notify you anytime I upload a new video. So now let's get started. In my clean pot, I'm going to be adding some olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm going to be adding some chopped onions. I will add the carrot and the celery. I'm going to saute for about 2 minutes. So now I'm going to be adding the grounded beef. Then I will make sure I mix the meat with all the vegetables together. I will add ginger, seasoning, salt, and some mixed black pepper. I'm going to stir everything together, then I will allow it to cook for about 3 minutes. It's time for me to add the chicken broth. I will be adding the pasta. Then I'll mix everything together. I'm going to be adding a little amount of the chicken broth. You don't want to add too much liquid to this pasta because you don't want the pasta to be too soft. Then I will cover it. I will allow it to cook for about 8 minutes. So guys, as you can see, 8 minutes have passed. I'm just going to make sure I stir everything together. Then I will add the cooking cream. Then mix together very well. Make sure you mix all the ingredients, everything, the pasta. Make sure you mix everything together. Then I'll be adding all the vegetables. Then I'll allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then the pasta is done. So guys, this pasta was really delicious, and a lot of kids love this pasta so much. And make sure you make it for your little ones at home, and let me know the outcome of your own. So guys, if you have watched to this minute, thank you so much. I really appreciate. And please guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You can as well share this video with your friends and family. I love you all guys, and I'd love to see you again with another delicious recipe. Bye bye. Ciao.